Halloween is back at Magic Kingdom. It is my favorite time of year, and living in Orlando means we get to celebrate it for nearly 3 months. Magic Kingdom is always one of my first stops once the decorations go up. Here are a few highlights from this year's visit. Town Square impressed me most, especially the scarecrow displays in different outfits. For more Halloween videos from past seasons around Orlando, check out the playlist linked in the description. The castle restoration is complete too. Seeing the water back in the moat was a nice bonus. Of course, Haunted Mansion is a no-brainer. It is one of the first places I visit to start the Halloween celebration. See you at the parks!